Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings challenges. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. We are going to be stuffing our sinking funds and savings challenges. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, here we go. So first off, let's open up our bullet journal. All right, and let's count this money. We should have $401 to here today. So we've got 50, 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 401. All right, let's get to stuffing. So we are going to start in the green binder. And first up is going to be that car down payment. And after having a great week with Valentine's Day, we are stuffing $50 into that car down payment today. And I'm so excited about that. So let's see where we're at. We've got $1,000, $2,000, $2,500 in the bank. So then that would be $600, $650, $670, $690, $710, $715. So $2,715. And it is just growing. As I've told y'all, we're not exactly sure when my husband's going to be getting his new car. He's waiting for them to release the new model, but we're hoping it'll be within the first few months of this year. Next up is going to be car maintenance. We'll be adding $20 to car maintenance today. All right, so car maintenance now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, 470, 71, 72, 73, 74. So 474 in car maintenance. Next up is car mods. Car mods is going to be getting $15 today. So we have 100, 150, 160, 170, 180, 185 for car mods. All right, next up is racing events. That will be getting $20 today. And I think this one is getting close to a placeholder. So let's see what we have. We've got 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 480, 490, 95, 500, 510, 55, 510. So we've got 510 for racing events, which means we'll be putting a placeholder when we do our bill swap. I am trying to do a placeholder every time we hit $500,000. All right, next up is running. Running is going to be getting $25 today. So running now has 20, 40, 60, 80, $105. We are getting closer and closer to our big race for the year. That'll be coming up here in March, so we'll have a little bit of spending money there. Electronics today is going to be getting $20. And so we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 145 for electronics. And I do also like to just note over here that I do have $175 in gift cards that will be going towards electronics. Next up is home. Home is going to be getting $15. All right, so home has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 118 and home. Next up is clothing. Clothing will also be getting $15. So clothing now has $10, $15, $20, $25, $30, $35. Next up is vacation, and vacation will also be getting $50 today, y'all. I get so excited when I get to put a big number in vacation, and I believe we'll be getting a place slip for this one as well here soon. So we've got 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 500, 520, 540, 550, 555, 560. So 560 for vacation. Next up is Disney, and that's another one that's going to be getting a big 50, y'all. And so Disney also has 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 500, 520, 540, 550, 55, 60. So 560 is also in Disney. Next up is gifts. Gifts will be getting $10 today. And we now have 20. Well, that's out of order. We've got 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, $60 in gifts. And that is it for our green binder. And now let's work on the pink one. So up first is going to be Debt Snowball, and we're going to be putting $25 towards Debt Snowball today. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, $80 for Debt Snowball. That's a nice extra payment. All right, we will not be putting anything into our emergency savings. That's fully funded at $1,000 for now. And then we're going to do retirement. So we are doing a 52-week challenge for retirement, and we are up to $7 this week. So $5, $6, $7. All right, so now we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, $28 in retirement. And I know it's not a lot, y'all, but it's better than nothing. Next up is our $1 challenge, and if you've been following along, all the $1 bills that I get from work that have the letter A in it, I stuff into this challenge, and we're adding 2 to that today. So far, we have $18 in there. We are not stuffing this savings challenge, as that is for my credit card points that I earn each month. Next up is YouTube. I will be putting $2 into YouTube today. Little something. So we've got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19 into YouTube. And I thank y'all so much for following me along on my journey. Remember to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And when we hit that 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. All right, so hit that subscribe button. Don't forget. All right, next up is going to be taxes. As a server, I only make $2.13 an hour. So I am going to be owing taxes this year. I still need to work on that, y'all. I have not. I'm kind of scared to look. I'm not going to lie. But we're going to add $25 in there to pay those taxes. So right now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 125 to go towards taxes. And I've said this before, I'm trying to not have to touch my emergency savings, but that's usually what I have to do to pay towards taxes. So that's it for the pink binder. Last but not least is our savings challenge, our envelope savings challenge. We are just stuffing this up until pretty much our Disney vacation next January for extra spending money. And we are adding $50 in here today. This will be a nice surprise later. So this challenge, I'm pretty much just stuffing in here what I can each week. Some weeks it's $5, some weeks it's $20, some weeks it's $50, and maybe come summertime I'll be able to stuff $100 in there. But we're just doing what we can, and that's all you can do, right? So that is it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.